Well, guys, today I'll be showing you how to set up your wireless. That's called Tanda. Tanda is actually one of the Chinese wireless, and it's like cheap one. You can buy it from the market, very cheap one, but it's work very well. Okay, like this called Tanda, Tenda, Tanda wireless. It's very easy to set up, and it's very easy to use. Okay, so this is the box for the Tanda mainly. Now I will be showing you the router for the Tanda, and this is when you open the box, it's like that. Okay, and as I said, it's very small and slim, but it's work really well. So what you do, as soon as you bring it out from the box, you will find it like this. So you have to take it off, stand side, and then on the back you can see you can put four cables, internet cables, and one uh, electric power for the wireless. So mainly what you need to do is you have to get your power cable from the electric one, then you just put it here. Okay, then you give the power, then you put your uh, internet cable from the wall to it inside the socket. So what happened is, after you putting that, now I'll be showing you how to set up in your computer and how to connect with your computer. It's no need to connect from here to your computer like other uh, router, but this one you just connect with the electric power and the internet cable here, and then automatically you will find it in the computer. And now I'll be showing you how to connect in your computer. Well, guys, to set up your Tanda wireless or the router with your computer, first of all you have to go to the website of Tanda. So mainly you can go to the website of Tanda by writing the website number, like this is the 192.168.0.1 is the website for Tanda, or the link for Tanda. But if you do know this, you cannot keep in your mind, also you can just go to Google and you can write it, like you can find it here. You can write Tanda router configuration, the website link or the address will come up over here. Okay, and also one more way you can get it, you can just go to your network center from your PC, and you can just click on it and you can press details and you can get it over here. Okay, so that's couple of the way to find your link to go on Tanda configuration. So for me, I write it here. So let's go to the Tanda website. So as soon as you go there, the Tanda page will be coming like this for the wireless configurations. First it will show the status. See, for me my router is connected, I have the internet access, and then it will show a couple of things over here, all the setup and everything. So rather than doing that, let's see how we set up. First you go to internet setting. Like when you go to internet setting, you will see, for me it says PPPoE, means point to point protocol over Ethernet. So that's the one kind of setup. So if you do this setup, mainly your ISP, your internet service provider, he will give you a username, like they give me a username, this is my username, and they will give you one password. Okay, so this is the things that if you use PPPoE, so that's mainly your internet service provider will provide you and you can use the internet. But when you want to set up your own router, you can do also a couple of ways. Like here you can see PPOE, it's for Russia. Then you have static IP, you have dynamic IP. So if you want to set up your static IP, you click here. When you click static IP, you will see they will give you an option to write your IP address, your subnet mask, your default gateway, preferred DNS, and alternate DNS. Okay, and then if you want to set up your dynamic IP, it will give you MTU. Okay, this MTU means maximum transmission unit. Okay, so if you want to put your static IP, mainly also you have to get this IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway from your internet service provider. So like I have got mine. So now if I write here the IP address, see this is my IP address, I can just simply copy and paste it over here, and then I have my subnet mask over here. Okay, I can put my subnet mask. So that's the things that you will get from your uh, internet service provider, and you can just type it over here, all of them. Okay, so this is the gateway, and you have the, this is your DNS, like preferred DNS and secondary DNS. Okay, let me get it, preferred DNS and the secondary DNS. Okay, so it's done. So then you can just press OK, and it will be safe, and you can start to use your internet directly. And as I said, if you want to use your dynamic IP, see it's already there. You can get it also from your internet service provider, or if you want to use this point-to-point protocol over Ethernet, username and password you can get from your internet service provider. So that's, you are done with the setup. Then you can start to use your wireless or the Wi-Fi. But now let's go to wireless setting. If you go to wireless setting, they will give you an option, right? Like this is my internet, my wireless name. You can put your Wi-Fi name. You can put your security code from here. They will ask you give the recommended one. I put the recommended, and then here you can put your password. Okay, so that's mainly the your service wireless setting. Then you have your bandwidth control. If you want, you can put it. That's not very important. Your wireless repeating things, parental controls, and the advanced. So guys, that's all mainly from your internet service provider. And then what you can do, you can just press simply OK. It will be saved, and you are done with the setup, and you can just use your internet, and it will be connected. Well guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you did not subscribe yet to my channel, please do subscribe